Balanced chemical equations give us exact stoichiometric relationship between the reactants and the products. But sometimes it is impractical to measure out the stoichiometric amounts of reactant for a desired product. In that case, we usually end up with one reactant left over and the other in excess. Like in combustion, excess of oxygen is provided to an organic material to make it burn. At the end of the reaction, the organic material is consumed, but the oxygen is still there. So oxygen is the excess quantity, excess reagent, and the organic product which was burning is the limiting one. एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. एक कार मैन्युफैक्चरर को एक कार बनाने के लिए 1 car body and 4 tires required होते हैं. If I have given him 32 tires and 6 car bodies, वो कितनी cars बना सकता है? He will end up making 6 cars only. Well, 8 tires will be left over. You can see here the product actually depends on the quantity of the limiting reactant. Consider a chemical reaction between hydrogen and oxygen to produce water molecules. The balanced chemical equation suggests that 2 moles of molecular hydrogen reacts with 1 mole of molecular oxygen to give us 2 moles of water. What if oxygen molecules were increased? If I provide 6 moles of molecular oxygen to react them with 2 moles of hydrogen, the water molecules will be 2 only. Actually, hydrogen is the limiting reactant. The quantity of hydrogen molecules is not raised, so the product will remain the same. In a chemical reaction, to identify the limiting reactant, follow 3 steps. First, calculate the moles of the reactants. Number 2, calculate the moles of the product with the help of a balanced chemical equation. Number 3, determine the reactant which produces lesser number of product. Just remember, the limiting reactant is that reactant which controls the amount of product formed as a result of a chemical reaction due to its smaller quantity.